Hello everyone, welcome to form filling video of BEL Recruitment 2022. So you know for the position of executive or engineer trainee there is vacancy. Yesterday only I uploaded two important videos related to BEL recruitment. If you didn't check that, then in the comment section you will get the playlist. Okay, you can check that video. So salary is 12 lakh approximately CTC and form last date is 4th October 2022. Before going to form filling, what are the important documents we will require? Okay, first we will see that. So first SSC certificate is required, then 12th or diploma mark sheet or certificate, graduation or post graduation certificate. Then photo which should not be less than or older than 3 weeks, signature black or blue ink in white on white paper, and category certificate is required to upload. Okay, so when you will click on the link which I am giving in the comment section, this page will get open. Here if you want you can read all the details or directly you can scroll down. Okay, just check this checkbox and click on start button. Okay, so first we will start with registration. Here we will select post applied. So select your post for which branch you want to apply. Okay, in the last video of notification I already told this thing, so you can check that if you don't know about this. So suppose I am selecting IT here. Then enter your candidate name as per SSC mark sheet. Okay, compulsory as per SSC mark sheet only. That means spelling. Then enter your mobile number which is active. Again confirm that mobile number. Enter your email address and confirm that email address. And then enter captcha and just click on submit button. Okay, after that this screen will get open and just click on go to application form. Okay, now first tab is eligibility details. Okay, already application sequence number, post applied and postcode is freeze now. Select your category here. Then select your gender. Okay, carefully select your gender. Then now here we can give total 5 center choices, which is the good thing about BEL. Okay, so 5 center you can choose for your examination. Okay, all over India you will get the center. I don't find any problem in that. Okay, so you can see the center list also in front of you. Then select your nationality. Okay, already it is selected as Indian. Then now here you will enter your date of birth and it will get calculated as on 1st September 2022, which is the cutoff date for your age limit. Okay, so just select your date of birth with the help of this calendar. Here you can see automatically they will calculate your age limit for you. Okay, when you will select your date of birth. Then are you physically handicapped? Okay, so this is for PWD candidate. If yes, then click on yes button. Here you have to select your type of disability. Okay, if no, then click on no button. Then are you ex-serviceman? So this is for ex-serviceman. Here you have to enter your joining service, retirement service. Okay, and otherwise no for those who don't serviceman. Then do you have 2 year full-time post-graduation degree in engineering or business administration? So there is clause here that if you have this, then definitely you will get 2 year age relaxation. Okay, means age limit will be 29 years for you guys. So just click on yes button if you have. Otherwise you can click on no button also. Okay. Next, Jammu Kashmir domicile. If yes, then click on yes button. Otherwise no. Okay. Are you BEL department candidate? So if you are already working in BEL, then select yes button. You need to enter your staff number and otherwise no. Then employment status. So if you are unemployed, then select unemployed. If you are in public sector, select public sector. Private. Okay, like this. So you can select like this. Then prefer location of interview. So for interview, basically we have 3 locations: New Delhi, Chennai, and Kolkata. Okay. So which location you want, you can select that. Do you belong to minority community? So if yes, then click on yes button and here you have to select your minority. Otherwise no button. Okay, and just click on save and next. Okay, next is we need to fill personal details. So enter your father's name. Again, spelling and name should be as per your SSC mark sheet, very important. Same for this, that is your mother's name. Okay, and then you need to select your marital status. So just select your marital status here. Then you need to enter your address. Okay, here you need to select your state, then city, and pin code you need to enter. And if your permanent address is same as this present address, then just click on yes button. All this information will populate here. Now we will fill your education details. Okay, so here you have to enter your 10th board, then subject combination you can give science and maths. Then you enter your school name, then select year of passing and select percentage. Okay, and enter your percentage whatever you got in 10th. Similarly for 12th also. Okay, the same thing. Then now important thing, that is your graduation. So in graduation degree name. So here you have to enter your degree. Okay, then select your branch here. As I applying in computer science IT branch, so only 2 options are there. Okay, which are eligible for the post which I have selected. Then year of passing, course type full time, okay, only full times are eligible. Then have you completed degree successfully? If no, then click on no. Directly you will get the message you are not eligible, okay. And if yes, then yes. And please select the following percentage and enter your aggregate percentage here, okay, very much important. Again, there is no criteria for bail that 60% should be compulsory. So if you have 40, 50, okay, anything you can enter, but enter aggregate. Next is PG and degree or CA. Okay, now this field is for those candidates who already did their masters. So if you did your masters, that is post graduation degree, then select post graduation. Then you to select your discipline in which you did your post graduation. So those who did MTech, select engineering. Those who did MBA or management, okay, you can select business administration and management also. Then year of passing, course type full time is required again, okay. Do you have complete degree successfully? If no, then again you are not eligible, because here your post graduation should get completed, and just select yes button, and here you have to select your percentage and enter your aggregate percentage here, okay. Now this field is for those who have already work experience in private companies or in government companies, okay. I will recommend you to add your experience here, because definitely this will give advantage in your interview part, okay. So just mention your experience, whatever experience you have, 1 year, 2 year, 6 months also you can expect, you can mention, no problem in that. So just click on add new row, or directly click on this plus icon, okay. Here you have to enter your designation or post, organization, employer, from date to date, that's it, okay. If you have multiple experiences, then you have to enter just add new row, okay. Just click on save and next, okay. Then last step is to upload your photograph. Just click on here to upload your photograph, then upload your signature and upload your caste certificate. So those who are from EWS, SC, ST, OBC, you need to upload your caste certificate here. And for general candidate, definitely you can't see this thing, okay. Okay, then enter the captcha and just click on this I agree button. If you want preview of your whole application form, just click on preview button and take the printout, right click and just take the printout of your application form, or directly you can submit the button, okay. Again, just first preview the application form, make sure there should be not any mistake in your application form, okay, and then final submit. Next step will be to make the payment, okay. So here you can see any option you can choose to make the payment. Suppose I choose UPI, then here you can see the amount will be 354, 300 plus GST. So for a general candidate, OBC and EWS, it will be 800 plus GST, that is 854, okay. So just fill the form and just make the payment. And if you have any query, any doubt regarding this form, comment down below, definitely I will help you, and then go and fill the form, okay. Again, one more reminder to check medical terms. Whatever medical document is uploaded, just go through that and make sure you are satisfying all the medical conditions given by bail, okay. Have any query, have any doubt, just comment down below. Next video will be our preparation strategy video, and in which I will discuss that how you can crack this exam and prepare properly and in 1 month basically, okay. All the best. And don't forget to join our Telegram channel, very compulsory.